Hello, number Samatashtle. Welcome back to Lord and Submission channel.
Sakadawa, also known as Buddha Purnima or Vesak Day, is a significant Buddhist festival that commemorates the birth, enlightenment, and death of the Buddha. It's celebrated by Mahayana Buddhists, particularly in Ladakh, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh, on the 15th day of the 4th month of the Tibetan lunar calendar, which usually falls in May. Elaboration, commemoration, Sakadawa honors the Buddha's life cycle, including his birth, the attainment of enlightenment under the Bodhi tree, and his parinirvana, death. Timing, the festival is observed on the full moon day of the 4th Tibetan month, which typically translates to May in the Gregorian calendar. Celebrations, festivities include processions, people including monks and students participate in Bumskar, a procession where they carry sacred religious books and thankas, paintings depicting Buddha's life. Visit to monasteries. Many Buddhists visit monasteries to seek blessings from Lord Buddha. Dharma practices. People engage in Dharma practices like mantra recitation, meditation, and offering mandalas, sacred geometric patterns. Prayer wheels are turned, and prayers are offered for well-being and prosperity. Refraining from consumption. Some people refrain from consuming animal products or killing animals. Changing Tarbach flag. The Tarbach flag is changed to mark the auspiciousness of the festival. Cultural significance. Sakadawa is considered the holiest day for Buddhists and is a time for reflection, devotion, and spiritual practice.